Ever wonder why one internet pipe never fits everything? Gaming, smart sensors, video calls. That's the hook. One-size-fits-all networking doesn't cut it anymore. Here's the problem. Different apps need totally different network behavior. Your cloud game wants ultra-low latency. A hospital monitor needs guaranteed reliability. A billion IoT sensors. They need massive scale but tiny throughput. Put them all on a single shared pool, and they fight lag spikes, jitter, drop packets, you name it. Solution: network slicing. Think of it like lanes on a highway. Same road but dedicated lanes for ambulances, trucks, commuters. In networking, especially 5G and modern cloud backbones, I can carve the physical infrastructure into multiple virtual slices. Each slice gets its own resources, routing, security policies, quality of service targets. One slice tuned for ultra-low latency, one for high bandwidth video, one for low-power IoT. They coexist, but don't step on each other. Software-defined networking, network function virtualization. They do the heavy lifting. Orchestration tools spin up, scale, monitor slices, across radios, core networks, the cloud, enforcing SLAs end-to-end. Why we need it. Custom performance, per use case. Isolation for reliability and security. Better utilization, no overbuilding a whole network for one extreme app. Faster time to market, launch a new slice instead of rewiring everything. Advantages: guaranteed QoS and latency targets, stronger tenant isolation, scalability on demand, monetization, premium slices for mission-critical workloads. Disadvantages: complexity, designing, orchestrating, monitoring slices isn't trivial. Interoperability, multi-vendor, cross-operator slices can get messy. Security, more control planes mean a bigger attack surface if misconfigured. Cost, tooling, expertise, and observability aren't cheap. Potential lock-in with proprietary slice managers. Bottom line, if your network has wildly different jobs to do, slicing makes it feel like you built a custom network for each one, without laying new cables. Use it when you need predictable performance and isolation. Skip it if your stack is simple and cost is king.